Hey guys, welcome to another episode on MSK Coding. In this video, I will be showing you a program I made to help younger students learn the basics of fractions. One way to learn is by visualizing, and that is what I'm using here in this program. For example, 2/3 as a fraction goes here, and you draw thirds and you fill in 2/3. That's what I mean by learning visually using pictures. But now we need to get into the code. So first we import turtle and use the pen statement to open the turtle window. N, D is input. What fraction do you want to be displayed? Split slash. N, D is numerator and denominator. Numerator is the top number, denominator is the bottom number. But what are they? What do they mean? Well, let's say we have a pizza with 8 slices. 8 would be the denominator, so it would be at the bottom. And let's say you are really hungry and you want to eat 6 of the 8 slices. That means that the numerator is 6. So you ate 6/8 of the pizza. And so that's what numerator and denominator are. And I'm setting N and D to be the results of input. What fraction do you want to be displayed? Splitting by a slash. Then we set N and D to be integers. And then we define rectan with arguments L and W, which draws a rectangle. If you want to know some specifics about this, watch my chessboard video because I'm not going to be explaining it here. And now we define drawer with length, width, and denominator, just like this denominator over here. We show the turtle because we hit it over in that function. And now we use a for loop. If you want to learn more about for loops, watch my word scrambler video. But what they are is they're just a way better way to increment other than using while loops. So we turn right here, then we do this very weird thing. I will explain what that does when I put some examples. But what you need to know for now is that it counts time steps and increases the distance of walking. Right 90 degrees, we go forward the width. I turned 90 degrees for here, we do the same thing. We turn right 90 degrees and we go forward width. Now we define shader. Like the name suggests, it shades or colors the boxes. And here we have 4 arguments: length, width, numerator, and denominator. We use drawer over here, just like we used rectangle over here. We show turtle again, and we set colors to be green and pink. So the outline color will be green, and the filling in color will be pink. You can change these to whatever you want. And now we do for x in range n, again, a for loop. And we do this whole thing from drawer, just we add begin fill and end fill. We set pause at 0, 0. We turn right 90 degrees and we use drawer to add lines to separate once we filled in. I define 2 to LWND, just like the arguments over here, to reset everything, and then use shader. And I put do 540, 100, and D. Again, these arguments you can change if you want a different size rectangle. But now, let's do some examples. So, we can do, I don't know, 6/8. How about that? 6/8 is a good fraction. Put that in here. And if you see the turtle goes around, loops, and then goes further. And that further amount is this L over D here. And that's why I put the forward over here to let it move more every time. And then we do the outlines. And that is it for this example. Let's do some more examples. I can do this if I want. So I can do 540, 100, or in this case, I'll do maybe 270, 50, and then the fraction that I want to do here would be 5/6. So 5/6. If we go here, it's a smaller rectangle because we changed these two arguments, and the fraction that is being drawn is 5/6. That is all for the video. I hope to see you next time. Bye!